On today's video, we'll be replacing these mirror doors. To remove these doors, you'll want to push up and then pull towards you at the bottom. Once you remove the doors, we're going to remove the tracking. Just have a few screws you have to remove. Remove the bottom track as well. Underneath the track, there should be a piece of wood to allow you to resecure the new track. Measure out the new track and cut to fit. Now once you cut the track, go ahead and set it in. We're going to pre-drill our holes to secure it. Once you pre-drill your holes, go ahead and secure your track. Now we're going to measure the track from the center to the wall. We'll do the same on the top on both sides to ensure our track is center. Secure the top track. So here our top track and our bottom track are centered properly. Install your doors. You just want to make sure that your doors are nice and straight. You just want to make sure that your guides for the door are inside the track. You can make your adjustments here at the set screw if you want to raise or lower your door. Again, if you make adjustments, just ensure that your door is straight. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.